finna race you in my Crown Vic?
Yeah.
Tripping.
I'm gonna play this shit.
Nah. You think you gonna blow this one?
I don't know, gotta put it to the test. Hey man, you already know what I'm doing. Hold on. Alright.
He saying he don't know, y'all. This what he got. I'm on his ass. Real.
We got a Honda
Versus a Challenger.
a Challenger. See, I'll be damn if this Honda beats this Challenger. Like,
You better trade this hoe in. Tell look at that now. You better trade it in.
I'll be damn if I lose.
Hey, I'm finna lose. I'm finna get gapped. Y'all, we got my Honda versus his Challenger. Let me see if I can get like
If we lose to Honda, that's so
I need to. He finna blow the mook off my dick. Goddamn. Y'all, I'm capping. I'm gonna fit no way. You mean?
Oh, this YouTube, bro. I know. I put my dedication.
You put your dedication in your car?
Yeah.
You think you gonna blow the mook off? You gonna?
Hey.
You had all that confidence earlier.
To see, cause I thought she was bringing the Vic.
Nah, you wasn't gonna get me. You wasn't gonna get my Vic. I promise you wouldn't. It would be. Huh?
Will he get me?
Will he gap you? You already raced though.
Yeah,
so.
he lost.
We don't know yet. We're trying to find it out.
No, y'all too. He said he lost. So.
Yeah, come on, we can go right now. Y'all follow me to drop this hoe off, and then we going straight to the hour.
For real. I'm about to have to get over it anyway, so let me get over it. I don't even know what the fuck he said. I got the heat on and it like that shit ain't even heating up the car. Come on, whatever car this is. Honda. It's fucking traffic. Man, that traffic. Damn, it's a lot of people today. Y'all supposed to be at home with y'all kids.
Everybody might just get off the road.
God, it was 8 o'clock now. Shit.
To the girls that ain't mine. Life misplacement, blood shooting out. Now that's some shit for mine. I tell you, I wouldn't even want to breathe. God come and take me out this side. This televised.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. What? Y'all ready? Hold on. should have let him get the lead, but he don't care no more. So. was with your brother, like, goddamn, he probably in that backseat. Fuck. Yeah. That's why we keep going. So that's why we going to keep going. You still want to keep going? Damn, I can't see. Was it bad or not? He's shifting, I can see it. Yes, sir.
That's how it never fails me.
Sheesh. Never. It still keep going?
Yeah.
Damn.
Just the way to go on the Houston.
Oh shit, that's why.
Yeah, he must take this right here.
Yeah, I guess I want to race them. I wish it was during the daytime. Shit. Hopefully y'all can see this. Y'all can see how fast I'm going. I'm trying to blur it out. Just kidding. We go fast around here.
Why do people upload that shit out?
I don't know. I really don't know. I guess so that way when people like, just in case they put their license plate on the video, that nobody can track that shit back to them, I guess. So they won't get no tickets and shit like that. Some people do it, some people don't, but shit, I don't. I should, but I shit, it's too much work for me. Like, I tried to do it while I was editing, but it wouldn't work right. I'm like, damn, fuck you. At this point. Jeez, is that Amazon? Yeah. God. So is this going back the way you live? Y'all live? Oh, okay. Alright, y'all. I'm finna jam to the music and catch y'all on the camera.
They coming straight through the deep blue.
Hey, it's different racing you, bro, because when I get ready to, like, her ass just took off. You know, when you had to do stick shift and all that shit, my shit was overheating, so I'm like, oh, I wanted to overheat. Yeah. And it was, because when I started to overheat, it started going slower. So I'm like, damn, fuck that.
She did that shit 3 times.
Hey,
She did that shit 3 times.
Hey, you know what Casey told me a while ago?
That's what I believe in.
If I had my red Aurora, whatever the fuck it's called, I would have raced that shit too. Casey and ass would have still been back here. We would have been on the highway already. Hey, that was a good ass race though.
You got a turbo on it, that's why. She cheated your ass.
I told you, you said no cheating to rate that up.
Yeah, let me show you so that way you can see it or whatever. Can you hold this real quick? Turbo is right there. It ain't no eco boost, it's straight turbo. Yeah. And I got the boost gauge in there on the screen while I'm shifting and shit. So yeah,
So you was using boost the whole time?
This, I was brake boosting you, that's why I was taking off so quick like that. But if I regularly didn't do that shit, I wouldn't have probably took off like that fast. You see it?
Yeah.
Let me take you for a ride. You want to ride in it?
Yeah.
I do.
Hey, there was no way I was supposed to be getting flew out like that. What's going on?
You right there, sir.
Hold on, I didn't know y'all had a turbo in here.
Nah, this is a 4-cylinder. That's a V6. I ain't raised people like that. I raced the Hemi before. The Hemi got me on top end, but I kept up with them.
Y'all got in there.
Yeah. Yeah. That's in this video.